Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Mustafa Mohammed Butcher, and in today's tutorial I'm actually going to show you how you can check whether or not you have internet connection. So for instance, if you are developing an application and your users will be fetching data from the server, you want to be able to indicate to them whether or not they have internet connection. This is how you go about it. So currently I'm using a div, and this particular div with the class status is assigned a background color of red to indicate that we do not have internet connection. So when we create our function, we check whether or not we have internet connection, and we connect to the modem. Soon as we are connected online, it is going to append a second class, which is the online class. That will change the background color from red to green to indicate to us that okay, we are currently what online. So that is basically what we are going to do. So if we head over to our JavaScript, so right now let's check the browser, right? So this is what you have, right? This is what you have, like the online status, it's red because we are not connected to our modem right now. So let's call this function check online online status, right? And for this function I want it to run every second. Okay, so I'm going to set a set timeout on it, and I'll set 1000 millisecond, and then over here run over here run the function again. So inside the function body, we're actually going to grab this div, right? We'll grab it. So let's say const status bar, right, is equal to document dot query selector. I want to grab the status. Now we want to check. So JavaScript, the window object has something called the navigator, and the navigator has a property called the online. So that property actually returns a boolean. So when it's true, it means you have internet connection. When it's false, it means you don't have internet connection. So what we'll do here is we'll say if navigator dot online. So this means if we have internet connection, then run this code, else run that code. So all that we'll do here is we're actually going to check whether the status bar has the class online on it, right? So if we have internet connection, we want to check, does the status bar have online on it? If it doesn't, we want to append the class online on it, right? So we'll say if the status bar does not have the class, or does not contain the class online, we quickly want to add to that status bar class list.add online. So this is actually doing a check. Does the status bar contain online? So we are saying if it doesn't contain, the exclamation mark is saying if it's not. So if it does not contain the class online, add the class what? Online to it. So we just copy this, and I'll just come here, and I'll just paste it, remove the not over there. So right now we are saying that if we are not actually online, check whether the status bar contains the class online. If it does, we want to remove the class online, right? So this is all that we have to do. Okay, so we save this, and then we'll call our function, which is called what? Check online status. Actually, let me make this every 5 seconds. Okay, so let's save this, let's run our browser again. So you see nothing. So now I'm going to connect to my modem, right? So I'm connecting. So realize as soon as it connected, the color changed from what? Red to green. Now I'm going to disconnect. We know our function is running every 5 seconds, so it has changed color. So now I'm going to connect again. You see, it has connected back on. So that is how you're able to check whether or not you have what internet connection, you know, using JavaScript. So I hope you implement this in your applications, and I hope this tutorial is useful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.